In my last video, I showed you how I created this dashboard, and my story has not ended. And your duty as a data analyst is not just to create a beautiful dashboard, is also for you to narrate your data and let it be known or let it be understood by the stakeholders or the organization you're working on. So briefly, I'm going to be explaining this dashboard so that you could understand what it means. So this is a sales dashboard, and I have a lot of graphic presentation here. So at a glance here, you can see that the total sales for this organization was 8 million plus, and we have 1,225 salesperson. We have designation, we have a ship mode, we have ship date. Beneath here, we have your sales revenue by salesman, revenue by region, revenue by segment, and revenue by date. So briefly, let me quickly explain what this does. As I said before, I created a very interactive dashboard such that my slicer helps me to filter with just a button to see what happened in a particular segment or section of the organization. So right now, I want to see what associate designation did in their in their section. So I'll filter by associate. You can see that associate contributed 6 million of the total sales of 8 million in the organization. And the total sales mean here is 947. And also by revenue, you can see that the associate Henry is the highest the salesperson that sold more, while Paul is the least. So if there is an award that should be given, Henry should be getting the best sales rep. And if there's anyone that will be on PIP, it should be Paul. And also for revenue for the associates, they by region, the northern region did far better than every other region. Middle did the lowest by 32%, while northern did the best by 35%. When it comes to by segments, it's still in the associates designation. This consumer did far better than the home office. So it's in an organization, more effort should be put in the consumer since they are the segments that gives more money, more profit to the organization. And if you look by date, you see in 2012, there was good performance of sales, but there's a sharp decline towards 2014. Okay, so this is just at a glance what happened in this organization. So we're going to look at again, let's filter out by senior advocate or senior associate. Senior associate, we have just two salesmen with their subordinates of 378, and the total sales was 2 million out of 8. So you can at a glance you can see that associate department or designation did far better than the senior associate. Alright, so we have just two revenue section like this. Kelvin did better than Justin, and also in their region, middle region did far better, and the west is the least performed region in senior associates. When it comes to consumer, when it comes to segment, consumers are still the best, while home office is still the lowest, and in revenue, the peak sales happened in 2013, while there's a little decline in 2014, but it's far better than 2012. So these are little analysis and insights from this. So I can equally um, want to see what first class ship mode is. In here we have four methods of shipping their item: their first class, second class, descent date, and the standard class. Excuse me, standard class. So if we want to determine which mode is the best for the organization, we're going to filter out and look at this number of sales they each one did, because it's the revenue that matters to the organization. So if I filter first class did 2.6, standard did 1.1 million, second class did 2.1, while standard in ship of mode did 2.7. So from this ship mode, I can say that the best method for the organization is to continue to use a standard class as their ship mode, because it is far people choose this method more than every other method of shipping their items. Alright, so in this timeline, we can also filter out what happens in 2012. What happened in 2012? As we can see, the net sales of 2012 to be 2.9. In 2013, we have 2.9 also, while in 2014 we have 2.8. So you can see that the variation between the 2 years are not much. In 2021, between 2012 and 2013. So with this, you can easily take the organization. Oh, let them encourage those in associates that are making more revenue to the organization, and also in their ship mode standard, a class should be enhanced and equipped for more, and encouraged for shipping mode. So as I said before, this is a very dashboard. As I'm filtering, all my charts are changing. You see, as I'm filtering, all the charts are changing. So this is what makes your dashboard very interactive. So if you want to filter, just click on this funnel that has X, then you'll be able to see all that is happening in your dashboard at a glance. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to follow me in this journey as I learn more in my data analysis. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.